Let's get that reaction from the street. Sheila Kahyaoglu is Jefferies aerospace and defense analyst, joins us now. Buy rating on Boeing. Target price 270. Sheila, what do you think of this appointment?
Lots of upside. I think Kelly is one thing he'll bring is he's not the manufacturing guru of Larry Culp. But I do think what Boeing needs is somebody that listens to the FAA, listens to the workforce, to suppliers. He was a big supplier at Rockwell Collins. He was there since 1987, his entire career. And he grew revenues, and he was an organic growth driver. And he not only had a position with Boeing Avionics, but with Airbus, and really took share away from Honeywell on the avionics side. So I think, all in all, Kelly's the next best thing aside from Larry Culp, who was everybody's #1 pick. But I think he's going to be well liked by the workforce, and Boeing really needs that. And I agree with Bill. This isn't the kitchen sink quarter.
You do? Why? Well, yeah. So does that mean there's one yet to come?
I think it'll be slow and steady improvement, and he won't talk ahead of the FAA, but he'll talk to customers. And I think that'll be appreciated by the street. I don't think it could get worse from here. I mean, if you look at at the quarter deliveries, we're at 2021 levels. That's where COVID deliveries look like on the MAX. So we have big improvements yet to go on the 737 and 87. So the commercial programs are pretty much at lows here. Defense, I think, will need more program management, and that's where we could see more of a kitchen sink.
When Dave Calhoun was hired to lead Boeing, Sheila, he was hired to fix it, fix the culture, fix the safety record. So what is going to be different this time? What's needed?
I think Dave wasn't an outsider. He was on the board, and he had different characteristics to Kelly. I think Kelly will bring listening to the workforce, will be more present with them, will be more involved with the suppliers, and I think that'll go a long way. So I think that's the difference. I think it was also Dave took over during the pandemic, which was pretty difficult, and he had a learning curve. I think Kelly, the difference is he ran an aerospace company for a very long time. He was an engineer. He essentially spent his entire career there. And also he was very involved with capital deployment. During his tenure, he bought 2 rather large companies and then sold his company to United Technologies. So he could do more with the balance sheet, and I think that's a positive catalyst.
So, Sheila, how quickly do you begin grading him on, do you give him a year? How long do you give him before you want to start to really see the improvements that you expect perhaps may take place under his leadership?
I think the easiest way is to look at monthly deliveries. Boeing publishes it every month, and the share price essentially tracks that. So you have a pretty low base of 22 deliveries essentially on the MAX or production levels, and the 87 sub-5. So anything above that will help get the stock going in the intermediate term, and then the long term to get the stock to 270, 300 will be more about improving free cash flow and just driving sort of steady improvement. We'll see a few catalysts, right? With July deliveries, obviously that won't be Kelly, but I think that'll be more positive. The union negotiations come up in September, and he'll be involved in that, and then Q3 results. So I think we'll see some small positive catalysts along the way.